Hello, my dear friends. I'm Ashwini Nirav Shah, a self-actualization coach. We are going to discuss something very, very important and beautiful today. So stay connected till the end. Just to update you, I offered a 50 minutes life-changing session in the last video. And friends, the registrations are filling very rapidly. So if you are still thinking, should I register for the session or no? You are losing a golden opportunity. At the most, what will happen after the session? You will walk out of the session with more clarity and insights about your own life. So don't think too much, be an action taker. अच्छा, are you thinking that why do I need to attend the session? 25 साल पढ़कर एक वैल्यूएबल डिग्री वाली है यार, अच्छी खासी जॉब चल रही है, पैसा भी कमा ही लेता हूँ, महीने में एक बार होटल और घूमने चले जाते हैं, साल में एक बार 10 दिन का वेकेशन मना लेते हैं, सब कुछ ठीक ही तो चल रहा है, खुश हूँ लाइफ में, इससे ज्यादा और होता भी क्या है जीवन में? If you have the same attitude I just described, then my friend, you haven't yet tasted the true flavor of life. Definitely there are some very few number of people who must be understanding which flavor am I talking about, but most of us are living with this attitude that सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है. There is nothing beyond this comfortable life. We are living quite a cool life. Friends, if everyone is happy and everything is going fine in everyone's life, then why am I working hard for making videos on regular intervals? Why am I taking free sessions where I have committed in front of everyone to invest almost 150 hours without getting any monetary returns? Why have I launched this club? And why are we all connected through this platform? I want to tell you the reason of my channel today. The sole reason of me doing all this is just because I have tasted something very, very delicious and beautiful. And I know consciously or unconsciously from inside we all have the strong desire to taste that flavor of life. But this desire is not in the realization mode, and that's the reason we are compromising our true happiness for very cheapest things. But I really appreciate you for listening these videos. It shows your readiness to taste that something amazing. So stay connected till the end. I am going to share that something soon. But before that, would you love to know which taste am I talking about? Okay, how many cheese lovers here? How do you feel when you eat cheese? Do you feel like eating more and more after every bite of it? I'm exactly talking about the similar concept of life. There is a stage, if you reach there, you feel like I'm enjoying the life of heaven in every single second of my life. You feel I am the king of the world, where no one can stop me doing anything. You feel like enjoying your life more and more every single second. Friends, I just want to ask, are you spending your each day with this kind of emotions and energy? If not, then you must attend the session. And friends, if your mind is tempted to live this kind of life I just described, then walk with me for a couple of weeks. I'm telling you with 100% confidence that you will taste it for sure. And if you are still thinking, this is not the right age to achieve this kind of stage, अभी तो पैसा कमाने पर focus करना है, then my friend, you are making a mistake. Achieve this stage, everything else will follow. Achieving name, fame, money, status is not a very big deal. Once you start living a perfect life, every material aspect will start falling in your feet. So friends, come out of that conditioned mindset, broaden your horizon of thinking and start searching for something beautiful like this. And yes, it's not only about me who is going to help you experience this flavor, it's also about the system that I have. Thousands of people have gone through this system and the kind of life they are living, incredible. Truly, truly incredible. If you want, I can send you the testimonials and even contact numbers. Seriously, just ask me on WhatsApp. Okay, so let's now talk about the main topic of today. The flavor that I am talking about since the start. What is that? Let's see. Are you really excited and curious about knowing that stage where even you can reach and experience the same taste of life? Then keep watching this series, guys. This is the exact reason I have started this series. So दोस्तों, तैयार हो जाइए लाइफ के एक ऐसे जबरदस्त लेवल के बारे में जानने के लिए जहां हम सभी जल्दी से जल्दी पहुंचना चाहते हैं. And that stage is called The self-actualization. Self-actualization, what is that and why should we reach there? By definition, it is the realization or fulfillment of one's talents and potentialities. To describe it further, it is the stage where full person potential is achieved. It is the state where person is fully grown. He is completely happy without reason. He is using his 100% potential and also shares his understanding and happiness with the world. Life is so beautiful for them. There is an infinite happiness in each and every second of their life. This is the reality for self-actualized people. What about you? What is your reality? Are you happy every moment? Are you enjoying and cherishing each and every second of your life? Have you found out why are you born? And are you living on the same purpose you discovered? If yes, that means you are performing at your best level and you are living with your 100% potential. But if you have even a little complaint about your life, if you are not 100% satisfied and happy in your life, if you are facing some or the other problems in life, then you might be performing at an average or below average level. You are incredible from within. Take my words seriously. You can be happy all the time. In fact, everybody has the potential to be happy without reason. Then what's the problem? Why most people are not happy with their life? The only one reason is that they haven't reached the self-actualization. So, what do you think? How important is this for every one of us to reach at this level? According to me, it's extremely important. I feel like how can we live without self-actualization? One more thing, we have also seen in the definition that person who is self-actualized uses his highest potential in his life because he performs at his best level. So let's check and find out what is our level of performance in the life right now. At which level are we living? Best level, good level, average level, below average level or destructive level? To know what are these 5 levels and at which level are you performing in your life right now, stay tuned. We might talk about the 5 levels in the upcoming videos. And to get the next video, subscribe this channel and be connected with us because we will be sharing something on a regular intervals to help you reach to the self-actualization. But even before that, register for the free session to know exactly how can you attain that stage. For registration, see the description below or watch my last video. This session will definitely help you to reach your destination. So, see you soon. Till then, be happy and safe. And yes, watch today's video again and again. If you noticed, I shared many secrets of an ideal life and I had asked many questions. So those who really think that this is the precious gift called life I got from God, then I am giving a homework to you. Sit with yourself and ask all the questions to yourself I asked in my entire video. Note down the answer and then plan your life ahead. If you need my help in planning an awesome life, I am here. But first, sit and search. Okay friends, bye-bye, take care, see you in the next video soon.